Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Steam was unable to sync your file error when trying to launch a game on your PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The Steam was unable to sync your file error usually occurs because of issue with the Steam servers. Your game files or because of your client has been disconnected from your network connection. You just need to check my video description for this link guys, and make sure that Steam server are operational in your region. If you note any server distributions, then you can try changing your server region in the Steam client settings guys. You just need to for that open Steam, click on the Steam and select settings, click on downloads, change the download region to a similarly closed location. If the sync error persists, make sure to verify that your game files are complete and up to date. To do this, click on Library, right click on the game you wish to launch and select Properties. Select the installed files, click on Verify integrity of game files. This will take a moment to verify your game files and re-download any missing files. After done, make sure to completely exit the Steam application guys. Close out of here, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And now you just need to search for Steam in the background processes. Right click on the Steam and select Go to Details. Now right click on the Steam and select End Process Tree. Click on End Process Tree. This will help you to close the Steam application in the background processes guys. After finishing this, close out of here and go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Click on change settings. In this list you just need to search for Steam guys. You just need to check mark this private and public network, or here check mark this both boxes. And if you can't able to see the Steam over here, you just need to click on allow another app. Before that, we need to know the file location of the Steam. For that, right click on the Steam and select open file location. You just need to copy the file location in this URL page. Copy it and go to control panel back and click on allow another app and select browse. And now paste it in the URL page over here and press enter. Now the Steam will open up. Click on the Steam and select open. I already added in the Steam in the list guys, that's why I'm getting the error. Steam is already in the list of exceptions. Click on OK. I already added it. You just need to make sure that private and public network boxes are checked mark over here and select OK for save changes. Now go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.